Use the trapezium rule to work out this integral then here between 0 and 1 using 3 ordinates and 3 decimal places. Here's the formula for the trapezium rule then, and we got h is equal to this value here. So let's work out h first then. So here h will equal b minus a, so the interval, here's the b value, here's the a value, so it's 1 minus 0. We've got 3 ordinates, so the number of intervals is 2, so that's 1 over 2, which is a half. So there's our value of h. Now here then, no, I'll put, so the x ordinates then, we need x0, x1 and x2, it's 3 ordinates. We start at 0, we end at 1, and then we've got 2 intervals, so this value must be a half. We've got to work out y0, y1 and y2. So we need to put those x values in, put it in here. So when we put 0 in, we get e to the root 0, which is just e to the 0. Anything to 0 is 1. y1, put a half in here. It's e the square root of a half. And we need to put that in the calculator. And that's a square root of 0.5 there. And then put the value 1 in for x into here. E to the square root of 1. That's just e, isn't it? Which we can work out as well. So let's get our calculator then. And now let's put them in. E to the square root of half. So shift e. Square root 0.5. Put in 0.5. 2.02811. Worked 5 dp. Because our answer needs to be to 3. So we need sufficient margin of error. So 2.02811. And then we need to work out e to the power 1. So let's go to our calculator again and do shift e to the power 1 equals 2.71828. 2.71828. There we go. So there's our values then. Let's put them in the formula. So here we see that I is equal to then h over 2. H is a half. Half over 2 is a quarter, so we can write that down straight away. The first and the last added together, so y0 plus this, we can add them straight away. 1 plus 2.71828, I'll write them out long-windedly. 2 times all the middle terms, there's only one middle term here, 2 times the middle terms here, and here's the only middle term to put in. 2.02811, and then close that bracket and then close the brace at the end. So tap that in the calculator then. A quarter, which is 0.25, times bracket. 1 plus 2.71828 is 3.71828. So put that in directly. Plus 2 times 2.02811. 2.02811. We needed a bracket around that, but it's only one number, so I didn't put a bracket. Now close the bracket here. And then equals 1.94 to 3 dp, the 6 rounds the 3 up to a 4, so it's 1.944. There we go. And that was the 3 decimal places.